Vamos começar mais um jogo aqui. Vamos lá. E aí, galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de 007 First Light. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixe o like, não vai custar nada. Participe da comunidade do Discord, participem aí da Twitch. E hoje, galera, nós tá começando mais uma campanha aqui de 007 First Light, beleza? Faz tempo que eu não trago esse jogo pro canal. Faz tempo que eu não trago com exclusividade pro canal. E peço para mais uma vez, pessoal que estiver vendo pela Twitch, meu canal principal é Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Beleza? Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay, anotaram aí? E a gente tá... E peço mais uma vez, o pessoal que estiver vendo aí pela Twitch também, ou pelo YouTube, ativa o campo dos comentários, participe da comunidade do Discord, tá aí embaixo no campo de comentários. E hoje, galera, nós vamos continuar aqui a missão na Mauritânia, onde nós estávamos, com o Jonh Greeway. Nós estávamos numa missão atrás do 009. Olha lá, nas ilhas Mauritânia nós estamos. E é onde que nós vamos continuar agora, aqui a nossa missão. Vai, beleza? Nós vamos continuar aqui nas ilhas Mauritânia. A última parte nós estávamos indo atrás de um caçador, pelo que eu lembro, negociador de armas, né? Aqui em 007 First Light. Nós estávamos atrás do encalço e atrás de caçar o 009. E vamos continuar aqui a missão onde nós estávamos. Vamos lá. Vamos lá. O passado nunca morre. Vamos rever o capítulo aqui. A cidade de Alepo, eu acho. A missão fracassada na Eslováquia trouxe grandes problemas diplomáticos para M e o MI6, deixando o destino do programa 00 por um fio. Graças ao raciocínio rápido de Bond, o MI6 conseguiu rastrear o 009 até Alepo. Até Alepo. E um bazar de armas no mercado ilegal em Mauritânia, comandado por um alto teclado rei pirata Bawma. Atrás de Bawma nós estamos em Greeway e Jonh Greeway e Bond precisam se infiltrar em Alepo, encontrar o 009 e trazê-lo de volta para a interrogatório. O passado nunca morre, é o nome da missão. Nós vamos se infiltrar atrás de um barco, atrás de Bawma. É o que nós vamos fazer agora. Eu vou... Galera, como faz tempo que eu não trago o 007 pro canal, vou...
See that crane?
What about it?
Underneath you'll find a boat. A gift from Bawma when he first
barco,
arrived.
lá.
A small slice of English civility here in the middle of the desert. That's where you'll find your friend.
How do we get to it?
By boat. Follow me this way, gentlemen.
A fox always has more than one exit.
Fox.
Bond, you head out on foot so he can't slip out the back. And you, take me to that boat.
Nós saímos do leilão aqui, ó.
How do I know your word?
If there were no
you
nasty
blind?
surprises,
Relax,
the left
will
will
you?
be yours by the weekend.
Ó, onde nós saímos do leilão, ó.
Stop arsing around and get going.
Calma aí. Vá até o guindaste. Chegue ao barco do 009. E nós vai chegar no barco onde está supostamente infiltrado 009, né? Aqui estávamos o pessoal, os convidados do leilão, na última parte passada. Aqui está o avião, um dos principais suportes. Acabamos de sair num leilão na última parte. Ó, a Mauritânia. Nossa. Tem barcos, bote de escapar, né? Eu tenho que se locomover até ali naquele barco. Vamos ver os movimentos do combate, se eu lembro. X, R para coisar, para parar. B para desviar dos ataques. A para correr. Os movimentos básicos, né? Agarrar. LT, né? Para L. Deixa eu ver. RT para coisar. Arremessar objeto. RT. Abater. X. XA. Atirar. Y. O Greeway tá ali, ó, junto com tem licença para matar, né?
You need to go on foot. Make sure he doesn't slip away.
Eu tenho que ir até Barna, né? Uou, cuidado!
I'm here.
Talk to me. Where are we?
Ali gave us 009's location. Headed there.
Ali indicou, Ali é o braço direito do Barna.
Foot through what looks like a makeshift port.
Eu tenho licença para matar, né?
And Greenway?
Taking the scenic route.
All right. I'll update M. Good luck.
Vai formar a MEI. Boa sorte, good luck. O Ali tá ali, ó. Junto com o Jonh Greeway. Já foram. Tem que chegar. Não, eles estão ali, ó. Eu tenho que chegar no barco para deter o 009. Se o Barna estiver protegendo um terrorista, ele está procurando uma MI6. Eu saí lá do centro da feira daquele barco. Olha, é um cemitério de barco mauritano, hein? Um atrás do outro.
Bond, I just pulled satellite imagery of the area. There's a lot of heavy activity on and off the water, so watch your step in there.
Copy that. Thanks.
O quê? Há um movimento enorme dentro e fora do barco.
I'm on the water heading to the boat.
Understood.
Estava tudo sob
I had a
controle
handle on
até
it back
você
there
se
until you cut in.
Oh, are you
Well-
trying to prove yourself to me?
Not what I meant.
What did you mean?
Could have flipped
Como
Ali
assim?
on
Eu
my
poderia
own.
ter
We're in a
derrubado
hurry.
o Alisson.
I needed to speed things
Precisava
up.
vacilar essa coisa. A Ari achou que precisava o Ari ir sozinho, né? Olha só, estão discutindo ainda.
Look at these boys. A right jolly pirate club.
How's it looking?
Storm's closing in fast on our
A
position.
tempestade está se
Looking
aproximando.
at this, I would say we've got about 6 or 7 hours before that swell hit us head on. And we need to get everything off the water and processed before dark.
And tonight?
Did you not hear me? Tonight is not happening. That storm is going to hit hard. It's too risky. Remember the last one? We lost half the crew and all the hostages on that raid. I'm not doing that again.
Fair enough. But I need to make some extra cash soon. Hopefully that thing passes through here quickly so we can get back out on the water.
Looks like it will. We should be good to go the day after tomorrow.
Ah, podia ter o abacate do os dois, cara, mas não tem energia.
Got eyes on boat headed for the Englishman. 1 occupant on board. Whatever you say.
Could be a wounded man, right there. You alright there? He's been knocked out. Something stinks. This search isn't over. Moving to the next spot. This is a mess. There's nothing. Moving to the next room.
Tumbar esse cara. São piratas, né?
I'm checking out this. Something's on. Closing in. This is bad. I'll check next to this. All looks good. I'm not ready to move. Moving into the next area. Let's see now. What was that? What is it done for?
I'm injured! We need to flush him out. Watch out! Move! The target is higher! You're going down.
Nossa,
End of the line.
ele fazer forma surtina esse desgraçado aqui.
Go to the high ground. Keep stay alert. Hey, you are finished. Use this trick. Lock and load. Where is he? He's dead. On it, sir. Taking a look around.
Nossa, tá cheio de inimigos aqui.
Better locate the town.
Get back here now! Good. Let me down this way. Let's look at this perception the next one. I will check for him here. Get back here! Check him here. It feels suspect. Check him here.
Better check that out right here. playing us. Watching from the shadows.
Our boys must be moving on.
Must be fine. Might be here. Let's have a look here.
Vem cá, desgraçado.
All right then. What am I looking at here?
Didn't see that coming, did you?
What just happened? Are you okay? Talk to me. This must be covering this. It's another one. Running won't save you. Our guy's not here. Moving out.
I'll see if he's beside this.
Right, I'm checking here. Where are you going? I'll get you.
Oh,
Heading out. Searching another room.
Moving to next position. Searching through here. Engage target. Dead. I'll beat down one of them. Lost track of him.
carregar a arma, né?
Go! Straight below! Take him!
Acho que acabou os inimigos aqui. Acho que acabou os inimigos. Acho que acabou os inimigos aqui, né, galera? Os piratas nós estamos enfrentando. vi. Oh, estamos bem iniciados, né? O Barna, não acredito em você. Assim, se duvido que o Barna acreditar, ele nunca abriu uma arma para mim, amigos que pretende usá-la. Nossa!
Greenway, how can we be sure Ali hasn't gone straight to Bawma? He's walking us right into an ambush.
Ali wants Aleph.
Ali quer o
He's
Aleph
been
pra ele.
waiting for a chance like this.
Por uma
Let's
chance.
hope you're right.
Tá tendo uma guerra civil, né?
Thought Aziz was going to spill his guts and give us up.
I didn't. Yusuf was always going to kill him.
You know what this means? We get to split his share between us.
To be honest, I was going to kill Aziz tonight. He talked too much. Look, keep your head down until things die down. We can move the guns in the market once the spotlight is on something or someone else.
When would that be?
A week, maybe 2.
Heading over. Holy shit! Man down, there! He's been knocked out. Start the set! Copy that.
Nothing here. I'm moving on.
I think we've got this.
Looks good. Moving on.
Ai, ai.
We need to keep moving into this next area.
This looks too strange. Crazy stuff.
It's not right here.
Come back later tonight and do it. We don't want to wind up like Aziz, do we?
Fine. But we do it tonight.
Relax. Let's get back to what?
What is going on?
Relax. Let's get back to work and keep our heads down until dark.
you there's something here. Looking right here.
But something's not right.
Tem que cuidar dos caras daqui, ó.
Okay, over here. Standing down. What the? I've got fire!
Why? He stole from Bawma.
So does that mean we can get in there now?
Looks that way.
Check the fridges, will you? Make sure the cargo's okay in the seat. What is it?
Piratas aqui, mano.
Greenway. Ali. Are we really gonna give him control of the left?
The agency needs assets like Ali. Let's say a terrorist group is planning an attack.
Ah, o Ali tá tentando tomar conta do Alep, né? Estão tendo uma disputa territorial.
On British soil. Then let's say said group travels here to tool up for it. With Ali sitting on the throne, we get a heads up. It's not all black and white in this world, Bond. There's a lot of grey.
Quer dizer então que o Jonh Greeway tá nos oferecendo um acordo se a gente entregar o Ali, o Alep para as mãos do coisa, o Ali, o Arnold, tirar o Arnold, entregar pro Ali, ele vai ser nosso principal negociante.
What?
What's this? Okay. What could that be? Done.
Is this a joke? What is this? That's odd. Fixed itself.
What have we got here? What is?
No! What's wrong with you?
Gatinho. O treinamento aí mais 6 valeu a pena, hein?
What's up with that?
Heads up.
Let's see what that is.
Right here.
Crap. Why does this keep happening to me? Hey! What's wrong with you? What?
É isso aí, dá um tiro.
Stupid thing.
Just passing through.
place smells like burnt steel and stale piss. Ah, disgusting.
Enorme instalação.
Let's take a look.
We better start a search. Get moving.
Copy.
Hey! He's trapped! Draw him out! What?
What's all this about?
Just as we expected, this is turning out to be very
Checking this out. Moving on, searching TV.
Let's see what we've got. Stone Pub.
Tem que ir devagar, calma.
Go! Now! Huh. I got him in my... He must be...
Nobody talks anymore.
Ação contínua. Tem que chegar lá na frente então, cara. Nossa.
And throw the bodies overboard.
Don't get up.
Rapaz, eu tô indo na surtina.
What the?
Sem dar um tiro, hein? Aí sim.
Right here.
Let's have a look there.
What the... Sorry about that.
Nossa, tem que tomar cuidado aí.
When we opened those doors and all that crap fell out. Shit.
Yeah. Glittery slime kits, inflatable flamingos, and thousands of feature spinners are really high-value targets. I bet Bawma was pleased when all it turned out to be was nothing but a knockoff kind.
They did that to piss Bawma off.
What is up with my head?
Chasing rats again.
Watch out! Hey! Hey! What's up?
Come on. What's wrong with you?
got nothing here.
I can't see! You there? What's wrong?
Hey, what's up? Stay with me. I don't like the feel of this. What is going on?
Skinny rat.
Come here.
What is that?
You should Okay, hunt him down! Spread out! He's gone.
Esse carinha aqui, cara.
What's wrong? Respond! Running won't save you.
Something up. Don't stress, man. Just a troublemaker.
Reposition. Starting the next one.
What? You think he's trying to ambush us, or what?
I think he's wrong.
Hey, you want to tell the boss we lost him? Didn't think so.
I will check. What?
Oh, I'll take a quick look.
Na surtina. Caraca, mano, tem pirata pra caralho aqui.
What is it?
I know I heard something. Let's see now.
Looks wrong. I'm going in.
Okay, that was messed up.
Nossa, cara, tem vários caras aqui.
This is all useless. Whoever locked this didn't check what was inside. I'm wasting my time here. All of this, landfill.
Excellent. Then it sounds like we have ourselves a deal. Look at it. I take it just might be. Did you remove the transponder? It's first thing I did. What are you going to do with your share? I am going to put some money down on the hammer, repeat. Then
I am going to drink until I forget my name. Maybe I'll find a woman that makes me forget the rest. Plenty of those in her left.
Maybe Nini will finally talk to you now you have money.
Ah, that woman is crazy. She'll probably try to kill me and take it. What about you? What will you do with your cut?
Invest in a left. I hear Bawma has got big plans for the place. The rest? I'll probably piss up against the wall right next to you, my friend.
Desgraçado.
Huh. That was weird. I want this guy found! Standard sweep! Mine.
Well, yes, you're okay.
Show your face!
What the?
My friend, what is wrong with you?
What's up with that? You! What's up?
Caga na área, vem.
Close to that bastard now. Hey, you hear me? Tell me what he did to you. Shit.
Bet you didn't see that coming.
É, meu amigo, tô indo bem sem dar um tiro. Cuidando dos piratas em mar.
No idea what happened.
Companion light blinded me. What?
Tá com o quê? Com sal?
What?
Give me.
Well, that was fun.
Nossa, estão nadando. Tá já com medo do tubarão.
trouble or what?
Some tough guy. But we got him. Moving to next position. Searching this room.
Place is falling apart. I need to make a run to the shipyard later. If either of you want to tag along, help me load up the rest to finish patching this mess up. Yeah. I'll come. Appreciate it.
Smell that? Again, my friend. He's knocked out. I think he could be here. I look. I've got to figure this out. Changing areas. Searching through here.
Are we in trouble?
No stress. Just a troublemaker.
You'll wish you had a plan.
Ah, meu amigo, eu adoro esse gente.
Contain the target. Let's finish this. You're done, pretty boy.
You! Yeah, you!
Let me check on that.
On the move.
This is okay now.
Watch it!
I think somebody's wounded there.
Just passing through.
Vamos artigante aqui, hein? Varna.
Handle it. Can't see anything here. Moving on. I'm looking over here. Nothing to report. Going to the next room.
Got anything yet?
Nothing but shadows.
Varna tem um exército, hein?
Searching over this way.
Somebody gave him an aspirin. Start and set. Not ready to give up. Moving to the next location.
Something's not all clear this direction. Ending the search.
Something's not right. What is...
Vamos lá, carinha.
Looking right here.
Hey, pal.
Let's go. Is that the body? Yeah. Nothing is wrong.
What happened to them?
Got nothing here. Moving on. Looking over here.
Why does this keep happening? Strange days.
That's in the next room.
What?
Who's there? Hey! Nothing here. I'm moving on. Come on!
Sweet dreams. I think he got the point.
That was weird.
What?
No, something's not right.
Need to keep going. Moving to the next location. Something's not right here.
Até os outros perceber já foi tarde demais. Tem que pegar aqueles de cima. Eita, pô, tem muita gente aqui ainda.
Brace yourself, casualty, right there. Hey. Got stupidity. I know you're. Hey. Tap out, man. You're no match for me.
Apology accepted.
Caraca, mano, a área é enorme aqui, mano.
Didn't see that coming, did you?
Oi, Ali sent me to make sure the Englishman's delivery is on track. He needs it as soon as possible.
That man has no patience.
Not very English of him now, is it?
What was that? What?
Oh, no.
Wait!
We have a man down, right there.
You'd better check them out.
Hey, taking a nap or what? It's out. How did that happen? I need to figure this out fast. Heads up! Hey, can you hear me? sick? Get the hell up. Search the area, top to bottom.
Huh?
I'll handle it. Somebody on the ground, over there. Let's take a look.
Check on that.
What do we got here? That's odd. Fixed itself.
Hey, are you okay?
Come on. What's wrong with you? Anybody read me? I'm in my patrol zone. Send back.
What? What's
That's the volume. How is this switch? Where is this switch? There we go.
Aê, bonde. Cara, eu tô indo bem nesse jogo, hein. Cara, eu tô indo bem pra caramba. Guarda, vamos pegar você.
Over here.
Wonder what it was.
matando os inimigos sem dar um tiro.
Ever been inside it?
I don't think anybody's been inside the Englishman's boat except the Englishman and Bawma. I mean, I've seen other people come and go over the years, but certainly not any of us. We just load his boat up for him when he wants something and he takes it there.
Maybe we should go take a look sometime.
Are you
Não, são
crazy?
piratas.
Why would we do that?
He might have something on there that could make us very rich.
No thanks.
Não, obrigado, prefiro manter minhas tripas.
If we were caught on that boat,
Tentando roubar o inglês, o Barna vai nos esquartejar lentamente antes de jogar. Sobrar para os
throwing what's left of us to the girls.
Maybe you're right.
I know I'm right. Get that thought out of your head. It's suicide.
Holy shit! Boss! What are you doing?
Stable points.
How cool.
Let's have a look there.
I do not like this at all.
Let's see. What? Sorry about that.
Tanto que a gente já caminhou. Sim, rapaz, nós estamos indo bem, sem chamar atenção nenhum, né? Vocês viram? Ó, Mauritânia, cara. Enorme, hein? Chegamos ao guindaste.
Bong, I'm approaching the boat. What is your position?
I see you. Making my way there now.
Ah, aquele é o barco, é lá que a gente tem que ir.
Dare I ask how it's going with Greenway?
I don't think he likes me.
You'll grow on him. He's been through a lot. Nobody could have predicted what would happen back in Slovakia.
Greenway did. He told us 009 couldn't be trusted and we didn't listen.
Then you worked with Greenway to bring 009 in.
Roger that.
Missão Mauritânia. Olha, galera. Cenário bonito, hein? Ai. É aquele barco que a gente tem aqui.
I'm on board.
Almost there.
Easy does it. We don't know what could be waiting for us.
É aqui que o 009 está.
Watch your step. He has the place booby-trapped.
Of course he has.
Tem armadilhas aqui. Tem carteira física de criptomoedas. Nossa, cara. Ele colocou armadilhas.
Another booby trap here.
Armadilha com bombas.
Cabin straight ahead. Laser trip mines too.
I'm more worried about the ones we can't see. Break a beam and trigger those mines, Beckett will be scraping you off the deck.
Any idea how to disarm?
Negative. But lasers react to particles in the air. That should help you circumvent them and not get blown up.
Noted. Meet you at the cabin door.
There are more lasers. Outra armadilha lá.
Chessboard here.
Tabuleiro de xadrez
He's
aqui,
in the middle of
ele
a
tá no
game.
meio do jogo. Ah, da hora, uma parte de xadrez não terminada entre o 009 e um adversário misterioso. Ganhei uma carta. Ah, essa aqui de xadrez, né? Legal. Como é a primeira vez que eu tô jogando, eu nem sei. Eita porra! Desgraçado.
Laser trip mines too.
I'm more worried about the ones we can't see. Break a beam and trigger those mines, Beckett will be scraping you off the deck.
Any idea how to disarm?
Negative. But lasers react to particles in the air. That should help you circumvent them and not get blown up.
Noted. Meet you at the cabin door.
Tem laser aqui, ó. Olha lá, desgraçado.
Chessboard here. He was in the middle of a game.
Right. Ah, tomar no cu! Ai, caralho. Ai, que raiva.
Laser trip mines too.
I'm more worried about the ones we can't see. Break a beam and trigger those mines, Beckett will be scraping you off the deck.
Any idea how to disarm?
Negative. But lasers react to particles in the air. That should help you circumvent them and not get blown up.
Noted. Meet you at the cabin door.
Chessboard here. He was in the middle of a game.
Ah, não! Tinha um laser aqui, ô idiota! Ai, caramba, é isso que eu tenho que desviar dos lasers. É dos inimigos.
Laser trip mines too.
I'm more worried about the ones we can't see. Break a beam and trigger those mines, Beckett will be scraping you off the deck.
Any idea how to disarm?
Negative. But lasers react to particles in the air. That should help you circumvent them and not get blown up.
Noted. Meet you at the cabin door.
Olha um laser aqui, ó.
Chessboard here. He was in the middle of a game.
E aí, como que eu vou sair daqui? Tá tudo cercado de laser. Como que eu passo daqui desse cenário agora? Tá tudo cercado de laser. Deixa eu ver um negócio. Pera aí, galera. Vamos continuar aqui, galera. Eu sei o que eu vou fazer. Agora eu sei o que eu tenho que fazer aqui. Ai, ai, tem que pular. Quem não conhece a parte morre várias vezes, né?
Bond,
still here.
Take it nice and slow.
Partículas no ar, né? Nossa! Olha que desgraçado. Ó, tem um laser em cima.
Welcome to the jungle.
Indeed. Looks just like his allotment back in Richmond.
Think he's in there?
Let's find out. Get the door.
Ó, o Jonh Greeway, ele tá aqui. Pera aí.
Get back here.
Calma aí, Jonh. Descobrimos. Opa, os aposentos do owner.
If it comes to it, do not hesitate to put him down.
Você tem permissão para matar, caso. Ah, licença para matar. E agora eu tenho licença para matar, né? Opa! Eita!
All clear. Gone.
Tá tudo limpo.
An hour ago,
uma
maybe
hora,
less.
talvez menos.
Christ.
Meu
Gut
Deus.
shot. Bled out
Tiro no
slowly while they
estômago,
worked him
sangrou
over.
lentamente enquanto espancava.
Why not just shoot him and be done?
Por que
What
não
a
atirar
mess.
nele
Well,
logo?
clearly they were
Pelo
trying to
visto, ele
make a
estava
point.
tentando dar recado.
There's something in his mouth.
Tem alguma coisa errada com ele. Diamantes!
Diamonds.
Fakes.
Falsos. Nossa,
Oh,
você
you
deve
must
estar
have really
irritado
rubbed someone up the wrong
com
way.
alguém.
Take a look around.
Dá uma olhada
See if
por
we
aí.
can figure out what transpired between 009 and his
E os
uninvited
visitantes
house
indesejados.
guests. What did you get yourself into, Beckett?
Ah, aqui os aposentos. Que isso?
How did you know the diamonds were fake?
The circular dot reflected
O
inside
ponto
the
de
stone.
Parte
It's a dead
pegou
giveaway.
tudo.
Knowing how to spot fakes can get you out of a tight spot. You'll master it
Diamante
with
falso
time
colocado na
and
boca.
experience.
Na boca do 008 após ser totalmente assassinado.
State-of-the-art triggering mechanism. Could have gotten the materials here.
It really worked him over.
Like I said, he really pissed someone off.
O 009, o nome desse cara, gente. O corpo dado, espancado e sem vida do agente rebelde. Foi mais chique. Reese's Packet, Fogo 00.
Take a look at this.
Fogo 009.
What were you looking at? Yesterday's UK newspapers.
He was keeping up with things.
Uma variedade de jornais britânicos, conta detalhes quanto grandes jornais.
Blueprints of the Grand Carpathian.
Do Grand Corporation, ele sabia onde colocar as
He knew where to place the bombs.
Foi aqui e como usar o máximo de dano. As plantas, lá na Eslováquia do hotel, as plantas do Grand Corporation que o 009 usou para posicionar explosivos de forma estratégica.
Someone certainly had it in for the agency. Same bomb materials I saw in Slovakia.
More evidence to support his lunatic agenda.
Ah, o que é isso? Materiais para o mesmo tipo de material explosivo
Take a look at this.
Alterado no Grand Corporation na Eslováquia. É aqui o centro de operações que estava, né, o 009.
Why would he hide out here in a left?
Align himself with Bawma. Become untouchable.
Nobody's untouchable.
Ninguém é inatingível, é mesmo. Por que se escondeu aqui em Aleph?
What am I looking at?
On the floor, the photograph.
Ah, o que é isso? Uma foto do agente de Greeway, ao pedido do sistema de vigilância. Ah, o Greeway é você! Foto? Que? Uma foto da entrada principal do prédio do MI6 em Londres. quê? Uma foto minha?
What do you call this?
I call it a picture of you.
Uma fotografia de bonde que parece ter sido tirada bem recentemente. Nossa, é um plano arquiteto na parede.
He had eyes on the apartment.
He had eyes everywhere
Estava
from the look
observando
of it.
tudo pelo visto. Uma fotografia do apartamento do MI6, onde Bond, Monroe e Cristilda moraram juntos durante o treinamento.
The other recruits.
Os outros
Monroe, Bright, Nash,
Ness,
and Kingsley.
Shink e Kingsley.
Looks like he was following the
Parece que ele
rebooted
estava
00
seguindo o novo
program.
programa
Of
00.
course he was.
Claro que estava. Nossa, é uma ligação uma atrás da outra.
I think it's safe to say he
Acho
had
que
a bit of a
poderia dizer
thing
que
for
ele tinha
you.
uma questão por você. Uma fotografia de Greeway por toda rabiscando que os olhos foram recortados.
It looks as though things were moved around. Maybe he was in the middle of redecorating.
Or maybe it was his killer. Or killers.
Marcas de moldura de fatos que foram removidos. Foto ou retiradas do quadro de conspiração do 009. Ah, aqui é um quadro de conspiração. Estamos descobrindo muita coisa aqui, hein? É um plano de vingança 009 que é.
Taken on the day she was
Tirado
promoted
o
to
dia
head
que
of
ela foi promovida a
MI6.
chefe do MI6. Uma foto de Amy, a chefe do MI6. Parece haver uma rasga na borda. O que seria isso aqui?
HQ.
QG, devemos nos preocupar
Should
com
we be
isso?
worried about this?
Maybe.
Talvez, continue
Keep
procurando.
looking.
Plantas detalhadas do quartel-general do MI6, em Londres.
Stripping ships inch by inch to
Montando
patch
navio
this
para
place up, I
arrebentar nesse
suspect.
lugar, eu acho. O que eles estão fazendo lá? Deixa eu ver. E agora, o que tem que descobrir? Que isso? Uma foto de Greeway.
Are you close?
I thought we were.
Wait, there's a note. It
Você lembra
says,
disso?
remember this.
That was Operation
Secret.
Spyglass.
Operation Spyglass. The telescope in the other room.
O
This
telescópio na
can't be a
outra sala, isso
coincidence.
não é
What about the
coincidência.
symbol? Recognize it?
No.
Não, já temos.
We have everything we need. Let's go.
I think he wants us to see something. The telescope. I need to go and take a look.
Depois ele dá uma olhada.
And that symbol on the back of the picture has to be out there. Bingo.
Achei? É isso?
The marking on the back of this
A marca
picture
é
of you
essa
and
do
him
verso dessa foto.
matches the logo on that ship out
daquele
there.
navio lá fora. É pra lá que ele
That's where
quer
he
que a
wants us to
gente
go.
vá.
He's dead, Bond.
Ele está morto, Bond.
His own men killed him because he got greedy. Case closed, job done. I'm really not interested in going sightseeing in the
Boa,
arsehole of
James.
nowhere.
Only you would have made the connection to
Se
Operation
você, a
Spyglass.
conexão com a Operação Siklex.
Dead as he is, he's
Operação
telling
quê?
us something.
Mesmo morto, ele está nos dizendo algo. Operação Siklex. Olha lá.
We'll never know if we don't take a
Nunca
look.
saberemos se não investigarmos.
Fine.
Certo, mas não
But
se
don't be
surpreenda se
surprised
isso
if
não
this is
passar de
nothing more than a
estratégia
ruse to
porque
finish off what he
começou na
started in
Eslováquia.
Slovakia.
Only one way to find out.
Só um jeito de descobrir.
Housekeeping, I presume.
Opa, visitante. Eita lasqueira. Nossa, fomos capturados.
Well, this is a first.
Nossa, fomos capturados. Olha lá. Onde estamos? Jacaré!
I am sometimes asked,
Às vezes me perguntam, Brawa,
Bawma, how is it that you hear every whisper in every corner of Aleph? And I answer,
e eu respondo, construí
I
Aleph com
built
minha vontade,
Aleph
meu
with
sangue.
my will.
Você é o Bawa! Prazer te conhecer finalmente.
This city
Essa
is an
cidade é uma extensão
extension
de
of
mim,
my
meu
being,
corpo.
my body. Today,
Hoje ela
it
vai
became infected.
infectada e com tudo.
And as we all know, if an infection is left untreated, the body can become rotten,
Adoece e mata.
sicken, and die. That infection,
A infecção,
Greed.
ganância. Ah, Alex, eu tava trabalhando com nós, olha lá.
in
Bawa.
Bakar Ali, once
Wakawali Ali, um dia fiel.
Greed grew
Deixou a ganância
unchecked.
crescer como um câncer.
Becoming a
Wakawali
cancer.
Ali, olha lá.
a cancer
Ele
that
descobriu da
threatened to
traição.
weaken Aleph,
E tudo que
endangering
fizemos aqui.
all of us, everything we have built. However,
Só que
cancer,
câncer, quando a gente pega,
if caught early,
dá pra
can be
curar.
cured.
Bawa.
Or in our case,
Ou no nosso.
cut out and serve.
Uma bandeja, jacarés! Ali foi. Eita, pô, foi cheio de comida, hein?
Easy, girls. Plenty of
Calma,
meat
você,
for
muita
everyone.
carne pra todo mundo.
Girls.
As mocinhas, claro. Course.
Our old friend
Nosso velho
was
amigo
just
foi
the
só a
appetizer.
entrada.
Did you really believe
Você
you could
acreditou
come here
mesmo
and
que podia vir
poison
aqui e
Aleph's well of
envenenar a
trust?
confiança da Aleph?
I think not.
Acho que não.
Now, you die.
Agora. E agora?
Lower them.
Abaixem eles. Que situação!
Papa, we're MI6. You've been harboring a terrorist wanted for high treason and a bombing in Slovakia that killed a lot of civilians and our agents.
No!
Não, terrorista de
A
verdade.
real terrorist.
Aqui na nossa...
Here in our great city?
Na...
The only terrorists in our home are the
Bawma,
two of you.
MI6 knows
O
we're here.
MI6 sabe que estamos aqui. Se nos matar, esse é o fim de Aleph que vocês conhecem. Você é um homem.
You are a funny man.
Greenway, back me up here.
Greenway, me dá uma força aqui, ótimo.
Great.
Claro, que ele
Just great.
desmaiou.
Of course he's out cold.
Into the pit with
Para o
them.
poço com eles.
Oh, for Christ's sake, Greenway, wake up!
Wait. This conversation bores me. Drop them.
Solta aí, vamos
And let
ver
us
a
watch
areia
the
ficar vermelha.
sands run red.
Oh, come on! Come on! Wake up, Greenway!
Negociar aquilo onde... Oh, o Jonh Greeway acordou.
Help, please. Thinking. Think
Pensando.
faster. Harmony.
Harmony. Olha lá.
No.
Saibam que se
That
isso
if
for
this is an
me
attempt at
enganar,
deceiving me,
apagarei toda a sua linhagem. Agora
I
mais uma
will
vez.
erase your entire bloodline. Now, one more time.
Harmony. Sabemos onde ela está.
We know where she is.
Temos a localização.
We have a
Que negociação
location.
é essa?
Get them out of there.
Tirem-nos de lá, agora. Harmony. Boa, Bond. Você não tem coisa.
My men brought your Land Rover around for you.
Thanks.
I'll be...
Ah, foi o Jonh Greeway que salvou ele. Espera aí, galera. Vamos lá.
To be honest, this turn of events is most unexpected. I assumed you'd be chow by now, so I gifted that Land Rover of yours to my bodyguard, Nini. Today is a special day. It's her birthday.
Well, let me guess. Nini isn't too happy with us.
She is, most displeased. Oh, and before you leave, I would suggest checking in and around your seats for any surprises.
What kind?
The scorpion kind. She has a thing for them.
Hell hath no fury like a woman scorned for Land Rover.
Indeed. I must be going. Good luck out there. I hope you two find what you're looking for.
Get in.
Bawma.
You're driving.
Entra, você dirige. Quase fomos de arrasta, hein? O Jonh Greeway nos salvou. Dirige até o naufrágio.
Interesting turn of events. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, that's one way to put it.
Essa é uma forma de ver assim.
Harmony, the lost sister, right?
Harmony,
Right.
irmão. Certo.
I'll get out of jail.
Nosso salvo com tudo. Harmony. Quem que é? Quem que é a Harmony? É a... Quem que é a Harmony? É a irmã do Bauer? Você sabe a localização da irmã do cara? Ah, tinha um as na manga, né? Por isso que ele deixou nós escapar ileso.
There's your ship. If there's something you want to get off your chest, now's the time.
Why didn't we go directly to Bawma with the information we had on the sister? Why wait until the very last second to play your hand back there?
We do not give up valuable information if we can get what we want for free. It's all there, in the handbook, front and center.
What happened between you and 009?
Operation Knife. When Thea was first instated, it discovered a
agora o Jonh Greeway tá contando o que aconteceu ele, a relação deles, César.
ring at the top of British intelligence. 3 highly decorated 00 agents, including 009. I was tasked with tracking them down and neutralizing them.
Hell of a burden.
That's the job, Bob. You're given orders, and you're expected to follow them.
So you two were friends? Before Operation Nightfall, before all of this? That's what it looked like in the picture of the two of you.
We went through the program together.
And they expected you to hunt him down.
Orders are orders, Bond. Besides, we stopped being friends the moment the man betrayed the Crown.
Saímos da leve, né? Sorte. Então estamos indo para aquele navio.
What happened to the other 2 agents?
Terminated. Didn't make a difference either. Because when 009 got away, they just buried the case. Shuttered a 00 branch and had me jockey a desk for the last 10 years. As a reminder of my failure.
But then M came along and revived the 00 program, right?
Her and the PM.
Foi a M que reviveu o programa 00.
Much to the chagrin of Bright. And now, here we are, in the middle of the desert, chasing clues on the side of a shipwreck from a dead traitor, while we wait for the other shoe to drop.
Vamos lá pro navio. Que horas são já? Quantas horas de jogo? Acho que... Nossa.
Those blonde twins, you ever come across them before?
No, but one hears stories. Nico and Tero murder. Supo, the Finnish security service, calls them the Great Whites.
The hair?
That, and because they're silent killers. Frankly, I'm amazed you survived the fight.
Next time I'll finish it.
Nossa, é aqui que a gente tem que ir. Nossa, olha só.
See if you can find a way to get us across.
That was my plan.
É o meu objetivo. Não dá pra ir, o jogo não deixa.
One down, one to go.
Vamos lá, ponte. Valeu o treinamento lá, hein? Mal.
Do it?
Let's push on.
What were you saying?
Vamos empurrar. Estamos indo lá no ponto de encontro na frente. É não transworld.
There's an entrance over there.
Right with you.
Tem uma entrada ali. Explore o naufrágio.
Listen, if Beckett rigged his boat, he'll have done the same thing here. I will just twiddle my thumbs until you're done.
What was I saying? Oh yeah, that was it. You clever sod, Beckett.
What am I missing?
Left of the entrance.
À esquerda da
Use your
entrada,
Q
use
lens.
além de Q.
What is that?
Cold War shorthand for marking safe rooms in the field.
What's it doing here?
He wants us to see something.
Código Guerra Fria. Ah, nem dá pra incluir isso aqui.
Any idea what he wants us to see?
Maybe nothing. This could still be a trap.
He wouldn't have gone to all this trouble.
He went to the trouble of blowing up the Carpathian.
Estamos num naufrágio aqui. Galera, o negócio é o seguinte. Eu vou pro menu. A gente vai continuar então na próxima capítulo essa missão aqui em Mauritânia. Nós hoje eliminamos vários piratas, né? Agora estamos na parte do naufrágio. Eu vou continuar essa missão na próxima parte de 017 First Night. Então, eu peço mais uma vez, vocês deixarem o like, não vai custar nada, participarem da comunidade Discord. E hoje tá bom, e a gente se vê então na próxima parte de 017 First Night, beleza, galera? Então é isso aí, um forte abraço, valeu, vou nessa, fui!